Yeah, this is what you get too if you actually start with a base feature that's a closed profile. So anyway, you don't have as many options because it's a closed profile as opposed to an open profile. And what I mean by that is, you know, we don't have any control of the extrusion, so to speak. So, you know, we're kind of stuck with what we got. You know, we can't. Anyway. All right, now this command that we have here is called miter flange. Is what it is. I'll show you what it is, and this is kind of slick, you know. Anyway, we started, you know, if you recall, with a flat plate, and there's a reason we did that. The trick to this is that if you want to make a flange that goes this direction, you gotta, as it says here, make a plane that's going to be perpendicular to that is what you gotta select. So, you know, if you put, you know, if I select that plane, okay, I can now draw a sketch on it, like, for example, where the fuck is everything? Okay. Well, actually, let's just see how. That's why these things usually screw up on me because I get carried away. Okay. Now you can see what that created. Now that's all well and good, and you know, you're kind of like, what the fuck? Why didn't I? You know, you can change the links and so forth, I guess. But you know, which is nice and dandy. Okay, so you can make a flange that way. I guess I could have drawn it to be flat out too. You know, we can select these different options regarding material bin. I'm going to go ahead and set it to that option. Not sure what that means just yet. You know, get your custom allowances there. And like I said, if that's all there was to it, I'd say, man, should have just drew a flat profile, right? Well, the fact of the matter is, you know, you can select more than one edge as long as those edges are touching. The original edge and do things like this. So, and you can control things like the gap distance, you know, set to 1/4 millimeter, etc. I don't know what that means. Trim side bends. At any rate, you know, the sketch here is just a rough, you know, estimate because of all the radii that you got to put in there. Sketch. Exit sketch. Okay. Wow. So anyway, like I said, it's pretty cool. And I'd be able to make parts like that, and like I said, if you flatten it out, you know, it is manufacturable. And going with a freaking laser cutter or plasma cutter and CNC that bitch out. And of course, you can go put some corner treatments in here, you know, using that corners thing. I don't know if you want to collect all corners, you know, you can choose to select two. Okay. Alright. curvy and flatten that motherfucker, and there you go. Of course, you won't see those corner holes in there, so this is deceptive.